Mommy!
Must be hungry again now.
Hello 大家好welcome to my mom's channel, My Malaysian Mom. Okay, so today 今日咧我哋嘅環節咧就係佢講英文，我講中文。She's going to be talking in English, and I'm going to be talking in Cantonese. So, Mom, what are we going to cook today?
Okay, I'm going to make a very famous dish that is very famous in Malaysia. That's called nasi lemak with chicken sambal.
Nasi lemak. Nasi lemak is nasi lemak 係椰汁嘅，即係佢用啲椰汁嚟煮嗰個飯嘅，唔係用水嘅椰汁嘅飯啦。咁chicken sambal， 咁有雞胸肉嘅，即係佢撈埋啲個醬嘅。OK， 咁佢預先煮好咗個雞㗎啦已經。Yes, you cook the chicken right
yes,
before?
I've fried the chicken. First of all, I use salt and turmeric to marinate it. Okay, and then I've done this frying of the chicken, and then this is ready, and the paste is ready. So now we're going to start cooking the sambal. First of all, we have to put in some oil. So I've got oil here. Okay. So I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of oil.
頭先個媽咪話咧，佢就預先預備定呢個雞胸肉啦。咁佢頭先就預咗啲用咗啲呢個叫做黃薑粉，少少黃薑粉同埋啲鹽嚟即係 marinate 咗佢啦。然之後咧就炸咗佢，即係炸一陣嘅啫。OK， 咁佢頭先而家咧就我哋會預備整㗎啦。咁佢用咗啲咩油啊，媽咪 ？What oil are we using?
I'm using olive oil.
Olive oil， 我哋用緊好健康嘅油啦。
So this is a half an onion that I've chopped into small pieces.
一半嘅洋葱。
When the oil is hot, just put it inside and fry it for a while.
Okay. 咁呢個紅色嘅蒜蓉啦，頭先用咗紅色嘅蒜蓉少少啦。
This chicken is for 4 people. This sambal is going to be for 4 people.
4個人嘅份量。
Okay.
咁係啦，都見到好多個雞肉啦。咁係 for 4個人嘅。咁如果你中意食雞嘅，你一個人都可以食嘅，好似我咁樣。
Okay, once the onions are a little fried, we are going to put in the paste.
Okay. 個 paste 媽咪用咗啲乜嘢啊？頭先。So what did we use the paste like
I
what did we
use
use?
water.
Okay, water and
this tomatoes.
番茄啊。
Garlic. And this is lemongrass.
呢個 lemongrass 嚟，我唔知中文邊叫咩嘅，but it's called lemongrass。咁你有啲泰國入邊嘅即係泰國嗰啲鋪頭入邊有得賣㗎啦。OK， 咁有啲蒜蓉啦，有6、7個蒜蓉啦，同埋有乾嘅呢個 dry chilies 啦，叫做指天椒乾嘅。Right,
Mom? So this one you can use many also, but actually it's very spicy. So I've used only about 5
dry chilies. So we got 5 dry chilies.
Yes, first of all, I have put some hot water inside and let it sit for a while so that it becomes soft. And then I grind it with this garlic and tomato and lemongrass. Okay, so now it's already been 5 minutes.
5分鐘。
And then it's already, the oil is separating from it and the raw smell has gone. So now I'm going to put in the salt.
咁我頭先見到咧，有好多個油咧已經漲咗出嚟㗎啦。5分鐘之後啦，咁而家佢擺緊啲鹽啦。
Salt to taste, okay?
鹽你睇下你自己嘅，即係睇下你想加幾多啦，唔使咁鹽嘅。
And then a little bit of sugar, that's 1
少少嘅
small teaspoon of sugar.
糖啦。嗱，記住呢個份量咧係 for 5個人嘅，5個定4個媽咪 ？4 people, 5 people?
4 people, 4 people.
4個人嘅份量係。
And then tomato sauce.
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. Mom, how do you say ketchup in Malay?
Ketchup. Okay. So now.
我反而而家聞到 ketchup 嘅味道喎。I can actually smell ketchup now.
Because the ketchup is to balance the the hotness of the chicken, the spiciness.
OK，茄汁咧係要調整翻嗰個辣度啦，
Yeah, and also the sugar. So and for
同埋
the
個
color,
糖。
nice color.
哦係啊，其實茄汁係見到已經係即係頭先都已經係紅紅地嘅，不過而家再紅多少少啦。It's more red now
Yeah.
because of the ketchup. Olive oil comes over here. How long for this one now?
No, it's just wait for about 2 minutes.
Okay.
Then I can put in the chicken.
2分鐘之後見。2分鐘後，而家其實我見到個顏色都差唔多，都其實紅紅不過好靚仔嘅紅色。媽咪，
Yeah.
我想俾佢睇一睇啊。Can you just show them? Yes.
Yes.
So you can see, I mean, it's quite red. Just
Red.
1 second, ma. It's quite red now at the moment. Yep. So let's go.
So now we're going to put in the chicken. Yeah. The chicken.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Mom is like, yeah.
Yeah. The
You're
chicken
gonna put in
goes
some
in the,
chicken, yeah. Okay. 呢個要整幾耐啊，媽咪咁而家？
that is, you have to put about 5 minutes like that,
5
just so that the spices will go into the chicken.
Oh, so the chicken is gonna absorb the spices, right?
Yeah.
哦，咁我哋呢個雞肉咧，咁就要大概5分鐘到啦。就會吸晒啲香味㗎啦，已經。咁 let's see after 5 minutes. Is it high flame, low flame,
It's a medium flame.
medium flame？中火啦。
Medium flame.
咁其實我哋用緊一個 non-stick 嘅 pan 嘅，所以我哋就唔使咁驚啦。不過如果你唔係用緊 non-stick pan 咧，你要留意翻。
Yes,
Right?
correct. Yes.
What did I say?
Say that we have used a non-sticking pan, so easy, so it won't get stick to the bottom.
Good.
Okay.
OK 好啦，咁我哋慢慢 OK how long was this?
This was 5 minutes only. For 5 minutes, and I can see that the spices has all gone into the chicken, and it looks very nice.
OK
Okay, so this is done.
5
So I
分
just
鐘
off
之後
the fire.
OK 咁5分鐘之後咧，我哋就係啦，見到啲雞，我轉頭過嚟俾你睇下，俾大家見識下我哋依個 end result 係點樣樣。咁係啦，個 pan 即係嗰個
Then I'm going to garnish with the
哦
onion rings.
哦，我哋就用呢個洋葱圈，不過呢啲冇淨係切開一圈圈咁樣嘅咋。OK， 使唔使用啲芫茜？媽咪頭先你話要芫茜嘅。
Okay, just a bit here.
What is that?
Okay. This is inside. This is coriander.
So let's go there. 呢個就係我哋嘅 end result 啦。So this is what is cooked by my mom. It's chicken
Sambal.
sambal。咁我哋用啲咩食啊，媽咪？How do we eat it?
Coconut rice. That is nasi lemak. We're going to use this with nasi lemak to eat.
Okay, can we use a normal rice?
Yeah, you can also, but with the nasi lemak, the coconut rice will be more tastier.
More tasty.
So that's very, very
yummy
yummy.
because you cook it, ma.
No, it's not that. It's just that you have to.
Okay, mom. It looks very delicious, and I think we'll eat it now.
Yeah. Okay.
See you next
Bye.
time. What?
Hi, guys.
Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. We hope you like the recipes, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.
And don't forget to press the bell icon.
Guys, if you have any recipes you want to share, please do let us know, or maybe next time you can come and cook with us as well. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.